Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to do counting from 51 to 60. So let's revise counting from 41 to 50 first. So which number is this? 4141. Which number? 41. And when we are saying 41, it means we are saying number 40 first, and 40 is related to number 4, that we are to write under T, and 1 is coming at the last, so we are going to write number 1 under O. It will be as similar for every number. So let's revise it. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. As I have told you earlier that when number 9 will be at the last, then both the digits will change. Both the digits will change. What comes after 9? 10. What comes after 9? If we hide this number, then which number you can see? Number 9. So, what comes after 9? 10. We have 4 fingers here. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And 1 we have got from number 10. 1 we have got from number 10. So how many fingers do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5 has come here. Now we are going to do counting from 51 to 60. So let's start. As I have told you earlier that T stands for tens position and O stands for ones position. The number which we are speaking first, that will come under tens position, and the number which we are speaking at the end, it will come under O. So we are going to write down counting from 51 to 60. So let's start from 51. 51. When we are saying 51, the number 50 is related to number 5. So which number will come first? Number 5. And how to write down number 5? Slant line, go back, curve, touch the line, go up, and sleeping line. And at the end we are saying 1. So 1 will come under O. Now which number is coming next? 52. Again 50 is related to number 5. So we will write down 5 here. Like this. And we are saying number 2 at the end. So number 2 will come under O. Start from under the line. Under the line means below the line. You are not to start from here. From the line, you have to start from under the line. Go up, touch the line, make a hook. This is called hook. Then slant line and sleeping line. You must have observed one thing, that I am not touching the corners. These are the corners. I am not touching the corners anywhere, nor the side lines. These side lines. You are also to be very particular regarding it. So what will come here? 51, 52, and after 52 what is coming? 53. So how to write down 53? First which number is coming? 5. Slant line, go back, curve, touch the line, go up, and sleeping line. And what is coming at the end? 3. So 3 will come here. Sleeping line, slant line, go back, curve, touch the line and go up. Like this. Now, let's start from the beginning. 51, 52, 53 and next is number 54. So, in place of 50, what is coming here? 5 and it will come under T. Write down 5 under T. And what we are speaking at the end? 4. So, 4 will come under O. Now, which number is coming after 54? After 54, 55. And when we are saying 55, which number will come first? 50. We are speaking 50 first. And 50 is related to number 5. So, 5 will come here. Like this. And at the end, we are saying 55. So, 5 will also come here at the end. Like this. Okay. Now, which number is coming after 55? Let's start from the beginning. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. As it is written here also. Let's start. We are speaking which number first? 50. And 50 is related to which number? 5. So, 5 will come under tens position. Under tens. Under T. And this number we are speaking at the last? 6. So, it will come under O. Like this. Now, 55, 56. Next is 57. So, which number we are going to write here? 57. And which number is related to 50? 5. So, start making 5. Slant line, go up, make a curve and sleeping line. And which number we are speaking at the end? 7. So, which number is coming here? 7. Sleeping line, slant line. 57, 58. So, we will write down 58 here. I hope you are easily comfortable in understanding what I am speaking, right? So, which number is coming here? 58 and 59. So, slant line, go back, and curve, sleeping line. And which number we are speaking at the end? 9. So, 9 will come here. You have to be very particular while making formations. You have to start from down. Number 9. Down. Under the line. Go up. Make a curve. Like this. Now, touch it here. Come down and make standing line. Now, we have number 9 at the end. So, what will come here? Number 0. Yes. When number 9 is coming at the end, then both the digits will change. If we hide this number, if we are hiding number 5 and we are speaking, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then what will come next? 10. And how do we write 10? 1 and 0 like this. But we are to write only last one. Okay, so which number is this? 0. So 0 will come here. Now we have number 5 here and number 1 here. Okay, and let's take out 5 fingers. Let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers, but 1 is also written here. This is also left. So, I am adding one more finger here. Okay. Now, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, which number will come here? Number 6. I hope you have understood the concept of counting and how to make the numbers. Okay. And in this way, you can easily write down counting from 51 to 60. You are to do this work in your notebook. Okay? That's all from my side. Goodbye, everyone.